Hello friends, welcome to my channel. When did you have your last Maggi? Recently? Long ago? Forget it. We all love this 2-minute noodles recipe and have it pretty regularly. Today I am going to make Maggi, but not that 2-minute recipe. Here I will pamper our beloved instant noodles with 5 more minutes and will make a delicious masala Maggi. Let's start making. First I will make the masala. For that, heat 2 teaspoon white oil in a pan. Now fry some veggies. Here I am using 1 finely chopped onion, 1/4 finely chopped carrot, 1/4 finely chopped capsicum and 1/4 finely chopped tomato. You can use any of your favorite veggies here. Now first put the onions in the pan. And then put the tomatoes. Saute for around 5 seconds. Now add carrots, capsicum in it. Add salt as per taste and again saute for 10 seconds. Now first add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder followed by 1/2 teaspoon coriander powder and finally 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Mix well and fry. Add 2 to 3 teaspoon water if necessary. Cook for a minute. At this point, add Maggi taste maker and 1 tablespoon water. Mix them properly. Now add 1 cup of water. Cover and cook on high flame until the water starts boiling. It took nearly 2 minutes. When water starts boiling, open the lid. Add 1 teaspoon tomato sauce and mix it. Now add Maggi. Here I am adding 1.5 packet of Maggi. Until the noodles are done and the water dried up. It took nearly 3 to 4 minutes. Now delicious masala Maggi is done. Serve hot and enjoy. For the written recipe and the online purchase links of the products, please check the description box below. If you love this video, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get many interesting updates. Thanks for watching it.